Here we are at one of our luxury new builds in Strathfield. Let's have a look through. Right, so we're at fit-off stage of the project. So we've got a long reverse flange supply air grill. All the duct has been roughed in already and fixed into position. We're just waiting for the fit-off of the grill. A lot of builders request for us to use a Hollyoak diffuser grill, which is very popular amongst all the builders because of the clean finish it gives against the gyprock ceiling. All the work is complete prior to paint, setting, sanding, so everything's nice and clean for when the project's finished. Each unit on a VRV system is complete with local controllers, central controllers, and also complete with a Wi-Fi kit to seamlessly control temperatures, fan speeds from the touch of an iPad, a phone or computer. Underneath us now we have a cinema room with a floor-mounted ducted AC system. All duct has been acoustically treated to eliminate any noise whilst watching films. To enable us to get the condensing systems onto the roof, we've brought in the crane today. They'll be lifting it into position before we pipe and commission the AC systems.